In this math problem, we're going to find the area of the circle, which is inscribed in a triangle with side lengths 3, 4, 5. I noticed that the side lengths of this triangle would mean that this triangle is a right triangle because 3, 4, and 5 is an example of a Pythagorean triple. So first thing that we're going to do in here is to find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is, we can find the area of the triangle by using the formula 1/2 base times height. Our base in here is equal to 3. Our height is 4. So 3 times 4 divided by 2 is equal to 6. The area of the triangle is 6 square units. The next thing that we're going to do in here is we're going to divide the triangle into 3 smaller triangles. But take note of this. We're going to make use of the radius of the circle, which will become the height of those triangles. First, we have to note that the radius of the circle will be represented by the variable r. In here, I'll have this first triangle. This first triangle has a base of 4 and a height of the radius r. This second triangle, it has a base of 3 and a height of radius r. And the last triangle has a base of 5 and a height of radius r. Okay, if you notice, if I'm going to add all the areas of these smaller triangles, it will be equal to the area of the big triangle. Okay, let's find the area of the first portion, or the first triangle, with a base of 3 and a height of radius r. So that will be 3 times r divided by 2, which is equal to 3/2 r. For the second triangle with the base of 4, it will be 4 times r divided by 2, which is equal to 2r. And then for the triangle with the base of 5, I am going to multiply 5, the base, and the height is r, divided by 2 is equal to 5/2 r. So if I'm going to add these areas, it will be equal to 6, which is the area of the whole triangle. So adding 3/2 and 5/2, that is equal to 8/2 r. And 8/2 r is just equal to 4r. So 4r plus 2r is equal to 6. And 4r plus 2r is equal to 6r, which is equal to 6, which means that our radius